Sensory activities will encourage the children to explore and engages the curious kids. In this video, we are going to see 5 easy to make sensory wall activities which is educational and entertaining that kids really love to explore. Hi, this is Preethi and let's get started. For the first activity, I am taking the chart paper of length 40 centimeters and the height of 30 centimeters. You can adjust the length according to the size of your ball. Since I am taking the small ball, I am using the length of 40 centimeters. Then fold it into half and apply some glue and roll it. That's it, and our first activity is ready. Similarly, I have done using the other colorful chart paper. I used 3 mm tape to stick all those colorful chart papers. You can ask the child to name the color and insert the respective balls into it. Similarly, I have done the zigzag pattern using the soap boxes. So you have to cut the top portion and the side portion to create a zigzag pattern like this. You can also try the same pattern using the speed boxes. Finally, I used the 3 mm double-sided tape to stick the same. And that's it, our zigzag pattern is now ready. Next is the tracing activity. For this, I have taken a piece of cardboard and have made 4 different tracing patterns in it. Then I have cut it using a paper cutter. I have taken 4 small pieces of sponge to insert into it. In order to give a projected look, I have pasted the remaining sponges at the back of the cardboard. And that's it, our tracing activity is now ready. Next is the shapes activity. For this, I have taken a big piece of cardboard and folded it into half, forming a door-like pattern. Next, in a foam sheet, I had made a butterfly pattern inside which I had made a cutout of 4 different shapes. I had used the Velcro double-sided tape to stick the shapes. I have also added a short description of each shapes. This is the final outlook. I used the press button to open the same. You can also use zip, lacing patterns, etc. Our third activity is now ready. Next is the numbers with pegs. For this, I have made a cutout like caterpillar using the green chart paper. This is the face. I have also added features, that is the eyes, smiley, tentacles, etc. In the body of the caterpillar, I have written the number names and numerals. I have used the double-sided Velcro tape to stick the numerals and also throughout the body of the caterpillar. Next, I have taken a piece of color paper and mentioned a dot in it and fixed it to the peg. Similarly, I have made it for all the numbers. Children can perform 3 types of activity in this, that is match the number names, numerals and also the pegs. The last activity is the blindfold and pattern matching. For this I have taken 3 different textures, sponge, and the textured paper and a bubble wrap. I have put all the 3 textures inside the pouch and sealed it. So before starting the game, the child has to be blindfolded. So now the child has to touch and feel each textures and match with the corresponding ones. That's it. A simple, easy to make DIY sensory wall is ready. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more videos and don't forget to click the bell button. Bye!